as I get up close and personal with this, I'll show you now. Okay, that's just the joint right there, that's smooth. Here's my nail. Okay, and that'll take some caulking there. All right, and this won't be too bad. Not too bad at all. And you see the joint is flush here. Okay, flush. So there you have it. So look for you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I plan on doing some more woodworking videos, but I'm kind of tied up with this. And I got to remodel this bathroom, do the cabinets, the sinks, the vessel sinks that are going in here are really cool. The other bathroom. So stay tuned. All right, bye for now. God bless. Bye. Show you the finished product. Whoops. Of all this soon.